Data is the lifeblood of 21st century business operations. Hi, I'm Maria Thompson Walters, Executive Director of the TIU. And in this video, I will share some information with you about a major project to upgrade the government of Jamaica's data center and to roll out a dedicated network for the public service. It is true that government relies on a lot of data to provide public services. Now, government entities must rely on standalone ICT solutions to manage their data centers and provide services. The Data Center Upgrade Project is intended to fix that. Under this project, the government will implement a modern facility that is secure, reliable, and equipped to meet the ICT needs of the public sector. It will also reduce the costs associated with technology, systems, security, and facilities incurred by individual entities. This consolidation into a single modern data center will allow the seamless sharing of data across public sector entities and so enable the government to provide better ICT-based services to the citizens of Jamaica and to itself. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for videos on what the government is doing to better serve you, the citizens of Jamaica.